Hi, I'm Lauren Nushu with Celebros, the industry leader in advanced site search solutions for e-tailers. The Celebros solution provides a unique shopping experience by mimicking a real-life salesperson. Upon a search, a customer is presented with relevant search results and then is guided through a set of refinements to get the customer to the perfect product and ultimately a purchase. We had a chance to interview Victor Hanna, Chief Betty at BettyMills Company, about how Celebros has helped his website. Victor, please tell us a little bit about the BettyMills Company.
Sure. Our company was founded in 2002 by myself and a business partner, and we sell 120,000 products in the categories of cleaning and janitorial and facility-based products to American businesses and universities and government institutions. The premise of the business was that the janitorial category was highly fragmented and there was no real presence of that category on the internet. And so we went ahead and sought to aggregate the industry online.
Obviously, since we're having this interview, advanced site search is a key component of your business. At the highest level, what can you tell us about the benefits that you've seen from implementing the Celebros solution?
The benefits have been enormous. I can't imagine having an e-commerce site the size of BettyMills and not having a world-class search. We have experienced upwards of 91% greater conversion for customers who engage Celebros search on our website versus customers that do not. We have experienced an average order value of 10% greater with those customers that engage Celebros versus those that do not. And as well, in terms of the per visitor revenue, those customers that engage our search have a per visitor revenue of 110% of those that do not.
As you realized way back when the necessity of an advanced site search solution, what were you looking to get out of your vendor and why did you ultimately choose Celebros?
Great question. Search is everything to us. It's our lifeblood. And we're open 24/7 and customers are engaging with our site when our folks are asleep at night. We want to ensure that if there is a problem, that our search vendor is there to help us at any time of the day. We wanted a search company that would provide a service level that would be no different than had they been our own staff, our own employees at our own company.
So to get a bit technical, concept-based search is based on your existing product catalog and database. This gives your customers accurate search results. What can you tell us about how your catalog works with Celebros?
We have an enormous catalog, and it's very important to us that our customers find what they're looking for as quickly as possible. And the reason why Celebros has been so important to us is they're not just a textual-based search. And so a lot of the solutions out there simply look and do a text matching and then serve up the various products. In our case, with 120,000 products, if someone puts in a word and there are hundreds of matches, they'll get hundreds of results. And so Celebros actually has what's called concept-based search. And so we can actually narrow down the results that are really specific to what the customer's intent was.
Okay, I'm going to spring a question on you. Pretend I'm not here. What would you say about Celebros if you were to recommend us to a friend or a colleague?
Sure. Well, first I would let them know that we did extensive research on all the various search partners out there. And what we learned working with Celebros was that whatever it was that they were to promise us, they delivered on. And initially, I'll give you an example. When they first said they would do a demo for us, they said they'd have it up and running in 2 weeks, and I found that very unbelievable. And they actually met that deliverable. And at that point, I said, okay, well, they're doing what they say they're going to do. And so we took the next step with them. And to this is 5 years later now. I can't say that level of service has diminished whatsoever. It's actually gotten better.
In conclusion, is there anything else you'd like to add about Celebros?
Sometimes you'll have an experience with a company where they'll make a lot of promises and they do really good out the gate and they send in all their best people and then you never see them again. The fact is with Celebros, the same team that has been with us from the beginning has been there all throughout the process. They're there as an extension of our business. If the project is extremely complex, they put their top engineers to work solving the problem. And there's not a situation that I can tell you about that I recall in the 5 years history with Celebros that we've encountered a problem that they haven't solved.
Well, Victor, I think this paints a really good picture of how Celebros has helped your website. Thank you so much for the insight. We hope it will be contagious and good luck in the future.
Thank you very much.
If you'd like more information about Celebros, please visit our website at www.celebros.com or call one of our sales reps. Thanks and happy searching!